Hi, today I'm going to talk about two verbs that are very confusing for many learners of English. Lend and borrow. Basically, lend and borrow have a very similar meaning, but they're used differently. They're not interchangeable, meaning that they can't be used in the same way. I think that the thing that makes them so confusing is that many languages have one word that means both. Lend and borrow. For example, the Dutch verb lenen or the Polish verb pożyczać. In today's video, I'm going to show you the difference between lend and borrow. Once I've explained the difference, there will be a short quiz that you can take to test yourself. Please give this video a like if you find it useful and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. When you lend something to someone, you give them something and you expect to get it back. So, lending means giving something to someone. For example, I lent Jack some money means that I gave Jack some money and I expect to get it back. A very, very, very common mistake is saying I borrowed Jack some money. This is incorrect because you can only borrow something from someone. So when you borrow something, you take it from someone with the intention of giving it back. Borrowing something means taking something from someone. For example, I borrowed some money from Jack means that I took some money from Jack and I intend to give it back. So to lend means to give something to someone, and to borrow means to take something from someone. This direction, to and from, is very important. And now let's have a look at some examples. Can you borrow me your yellow yacht? What do you think? Is this question correct or not? It is incorrect. In this situation, you're asking someone, probably a friend, to give their yacht to you. It's about giving. Can you give me your yellow yacht? So we have to use the verb lend. Can you lend me your yellow yacht? Mike borrowed my blue bike and he never gave it back. Is this sentence correct or not? It is correct. In this situation, Mike took your blue bike from you, and we already know that borrowing means taking something from someone. So this sentence is correct. Can I lend your lilac lipstick? Is this question correct or not? It is incorrect. In this situation, you want to take someone's lilac lipstick. When we take something from someone, the correct verb to use is borrow, not lend. Can I borrow your lilac lipstick? Sue doesn't want to lend her earrings to Sarah. Is this sentence correct or not? It is correct. In this situation, Sue doesn't want to give her earrings to Sarah. It's about giving, so the verb lend is correct. Sue doesn't want to lend her earrings to Sarah. Okay, let's take the quiz now. Are the sentences correct? If not, correct the mistakes. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!